My name is Tariq, and my YouTube name is Viet Packy. Alright, so it's day 5. I'm at Taco Burrito and Craft Beer on Boivin Street. Met up with a few friends here.
He was filming all the time. Yeah. No. But he was just into this kind of stuff.
Yeah. Myself.
I'm posting everything.
I think it's nice. Everyone is nice to do those things.
That's true.
Day 6, having yet another bowl of pho. This is the pho ball, which is beef with noodle soup and the fresh hors d'oeuvres, mince, as well as jalapeno peppers if you want that on the side as well. This is near my hotel, which is half a block away from Boivin Street. I'm here at this pho place. Really good pho for 40,000. I definitely recommend checking it out. For 40 grand, it's like really good. Street food is delicious. It has a misconception about it. The food is clean. It's not dirty or anything. So when you hear the word street food, technically most of the time it means that all of the stools are outside of the facility. Either that or the place where they live upstairs. They make the restaurant downstairs for people to come eat. And they have stools like this. Stools look like this. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with street food. Street food is actually the best food to try, in my opinion, in Vietnam, because it's super authentic compared to trying those big restaurants if you want the full Vietnamese experience of sitting outside while eating. Alright y'all, so it's day 6. I'm here meeting up with some friends. My buddy Jay, I met here. He's Slovenian. Met him 2 nights ago. And then his buddy named Matt.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna dance. He has to dance, right? I have to dance. Yeah, you like that, right?
We went to check out this place for late night snack. Here with a bunch of friends here. Here's the menu.
We don't have so many seafood. Okay, now I seafood,
Oh wow.
I'm not so
chicken. Oh, yeah, you have it this way.
Hey, what?
Có ai đắp bụng không vậy? Đắp bụng không? Tay xào rau muống. Món tay xào rau muống. Cho em một món tay xào rau muống.
In case any of you are looking for propaganda posters, this place is a good reference point. It's called Gotcha. Ho Chi Minh City, near on Bui Vin. There's this name of this hymn. It sells propaganda posters going this way. Day 9 in Ho Chi Minh City. Right now I'm meeting up with my friend Van's sister at Catanat. I wanted to check out this place for a while. It's been a few years. I'm gonna sneak up on Van's sister. Her name is Thu. T-H-U. Right now here at Catanat Coffee Shop, here with Van's sister and her friends. Alright, so I found this sweet place where you can buy Vietnamese movies, and I got myself this one right here. This one I got from this one movie that I've seen from Canada. My buddy Ty. This one right here, I got it at this place. Right there, right here, across from that walking street near the Ho Chi Minh Tower. On the corner of this intersection is this university. I almost tripped on rock. Arizona University in Ho Chi Minh City. I think, from what I heard from my friend Van's sister, Du, this university is collaborated with the schools in the United States in terms of transfer program for Vietnamese students to the United States. Another great place besides the YOLO bar to get propaganda video is this one right here beside Trung Nam Travel. It's near Bui Vin Street as well. That looks really good. I ordered one. It's 20,000 Vietnamese. Okay, so apparently that thing that they were making at the time, it's called Banchan Nung, which is It looks like a quesadilla. A few stores beside that other video place. I finally got my second movie which I've been looking for. Really funny comedy. What's up everyone? This is Viet Packy. I just wanted to mention how I'm in Vietnam right now, as most of you know. Vietnam is a beautiful country. However, it has its dark side. And what I'm about to show you is real, okay? This is a reality of people living in poverty on the streets of Vietnam. Do you see that? So what do we do? Coming from a first world country, what do we do?